A baby girl. You know, 5 months old. Show everybody what you can do. You know. Show them what you can do at 5 months. Show them. Show them. Show them what you can do. Come here. Come here. Come to daddy. Come to daddy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah. You can come. What? Show them. Come here. Come here. Come.
Shall I show you? Come
Show
here.
me. Come here.
Yeah.
Come here.
Move.
Come here. You can turn over and show them that you can turn over now? Is you a big girl? Oh, yes, I can do it. 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 Yay! Don't touch us. No, my boss. Yeah, I can do it. I can do it. What? What? I almost poop on people. Come here. You can do it. 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 Let's go for this one. Go. You know, if you have 5 million times, and I'm putting you on the spot now. Let's go. Let's go, Mila. Hey, come here. Come here. Come today. Yeah, you can. Right.
Here come.
She's coming. All the sheep, come. You can do it. Yeah. Leave her the soggy. Hey, yes, big girl. 5 months. And flipping. Hey, Mila, beginner. Mila's gonna be tall like daddy. I can see that. Mila, I'm not gonna force you into football, alright? I didn't force your brothers. I think netball will be okay. You wanna play some sports and be active, girl? Yeah?
What?
Yes, sport girl.
The professional one.
Mash up your take out daddy on a knee. Yeah?
Makes you be.
What you wanna be, Mila? What you wanna be? It's your choice now. And people say we don't force kids, but I grew up and saw my daddy playing ball, so what happened? He played football. People tend to say, if, let's say, evening violence, if the father is a gangster, the son tends to come and be a gangster, right? So isn't it fair to say?
Example.
Yeah, the word Melissa is the worst example, because people tend to use. When it comes to sports, people can tend to say, don't force your kids to play sports.
Exactly.
We're not
same
forcing.
With the singers and
Same with singers.
Force
my son. Yeah,
people
people.
to be singers. It's like they know all the rocks. That's why they don't really want to force them kids in it.
Yeah, but no road not easy at all.
Yeah, that's true.
No matter the road you choose, no road not easy, you know. It's not easy to be a sportsman. Look at Tiger Woods playing, and you see his son is playing well. So kids tend to do what the parents are doing. Not only in sports. So it's only natural that look at Leon Daniel now. I don't even have to force them for training. I never force them. I keep using the word force.
Same in the Bible. Who father of Jesus, him teach him skills too.
A carpenter?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So Jesus could have do them things easy.
So that's natural. So that's what I'm saying.
Parents know better. So
kids do them say. So if me take the kids every day go play sports.
Pass to you.
Yeah. So
no better this you go pass.
For me, it's actually better to have a kids doing something than not doing nothing at all.
Right.
I just sum you up on it.
That's true.
So sometimes I go play basketball, sometimes I go play tennis.
That's true.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying for Mila now. She can be a next Shelly and Fraser Price. She can be a runner. She can go play. There's a girl named Atkinson who play netball. She can be a Naomi Campbell. She can be anybody she want to be. But we kind of steer kids in the right direction sometimes.
Yeah.
And sport is a very positive environment. So many benefits. Like everything you want to teach your kids about life, you can teach them through sports in a healthy way. That's just how I look at it. So Mila, you're coming to be the next Martha. You know who's Martha? Next top model. You know who's Martha? And I always tell Shaggy, you know, if the sports don't make millions, they ain't playing that sports. Yeah, Naomi Campbell. I know. If the sports don't pay a million, we ain't paying that sports. We're not doing no sports that don't pay no money.
Right. it.
Oh, he used to tell me.
Sacrifice your health for
For
something at least.
Yeah, he used to always tell me. So you say one dancer, I say if you ever say a millionaire dancer, and if there's even one, how many of them you see?
Well, you can live good and be a dancer, but only if you dance for Beyonce and them people.
Yeah, but
But
no,
Beyonce and
millionaire
them people
dancer,
already
you know
have
dance.
money.
Them not make no millions. Beyonce dancer make no millions. No,
But
brother.
them live good.
Miller,
Them probably live in a
Martha.
house.
You see how Khadija Bonisha and mash up Man City? How you that? Imagine if you get daddy jeans and you get big and tall like daddy. Nobody can stop you. Can still be a hot girl and play ball, Miller. How do you? I'm done shrink gear up and put on the whole armor Christ by Miller. You're gone.
Naomi Campbell.
Khadija Bonisha.
I don't know Khadija, but I know Naomi Campbell.
Khadija, the girl there, Manchester City, has scored the whole patch them every week. Is it? Yeah. Yeah. You can't come run out like Bonisha. Is it? Daddy got you.
Walk. Get walk like.
Yes, you coming?
Все успела, последнее доделала.
Walk, catwalk like.
Как вот цыган
Good
Good
morning!
Good morning. Доброе утро.
Доброе.
Доброе утро. I mean, good morning.
Она не видит.
So grandma say it in English, I say it in Russian.
Голос.
Mina.
Милочка, да вот это моя подружка, вот она моя подружка. Милочка, боюсь тут рядом, а то непредсказуемое может быть. Мила... Ой, снимают.
Тата. Тата. Say tata.
Чекай,
Тата.
как она спала? Плохо?
Tata. Alright, daddy gets to go to work. Daddy gets to go to work.
Мила!
I'm taking you guys to work today, so don't leave me.
Ты
I want to take you to work.
сладкая.
So much
Ой,
going on.
сладкая.
Yeah, other questions about work, so I'm taking you guys with me to work today. Yeah. Alright, Mila.
Катюш, слышишь меня? Что вот чуть-чуть приставить, чтобы она ощущала, что на поверхности там что-то может быть. Ткань, там еще что-то, чтобы ножки не щекотала.
Boss.
Вот так папе, вот так папе.
Boss, Mila.
Вот так тебе, папа. Ножка, вот. И она уже начинает отклоняться сама.
To come to daddy.
Видишь? Вперед.
So she wants to sit with me.
И не заваливается.
She wants to come to daddy.
Поэтому очень
Chill,
хорошо.
man. Yeah.
Вот, пока-пока.
О, сейчас.
Фигу-фигу покажи ему.
Зала.
Ага.
I know you love me, Mila, but chill a little bit, no, man.
Фигу-фигу мы вам покажем.
Это
О,
кому
видишь,
вы?
как Кать?
Yeah.
Нормально,
She don't
все
like
это
to be
окей.
away.
Привет, подруженция.
She looks away for
Привет.
all on.
О, видишь как? Вот так
Want to come
вот.
to daddy? Come. Come. Come here. Come
Фигу
here.
покажи.
Come. Mhm.
Вот так, вот так. Скажи, фигу не см... Вот ты видишь, как она прямо? Вот отваливается. Все, рефлекс пошел. Руки у меня чистые.
Soon, Mila,
Да,
don't worry.
у
3
меня-
more months, you can do that.
Катя, там я все обработала. Тряпку, которой поверхности, я промыла с мылом еще синим.
92. Which one they say? 88. 88? Okay, I'll go there. It's not over here.
Maybe you guys been kidding me for all week.
Why?
Why? I don't know. Tell me why you guys been kidding me.
Because Daniel wants some Starbucks. I don't want no Pizza Hut. I don't want no caramel, and I don't want any KFC.
Why?
Because those are the only thing are junk food.
You don't want any junk foods?
Just fruit.
Just fruits? Just healthy food. So where are you guys going today? Vegetables. Where you guys going today looking so nice?
Nope.
Go no, no. You worried about messing up your new shoes? Hmm? So where you guys going today?
It's not messy then.
Yeah, come. I want to Yeah, but I want to take a picture over there. Come. Tell me about where you guys come now. Let me get your picture. It's not messy, but now you have to stay. It's gonna get dirty, and you guys have to stay in the front. Ronaldo, come here. Let's take a picture right here. Where you guys going today? Looking so nice. Ronaldo, where are you going today?
School.
School. Now what's going on at school?
Jeans Day.
Jeans Day. You guys looking dapper. Alright, Leo, come sit beside Ronaldo. Yeah, guys. So I was here telling the boys about stranger danger, but it's no stranger danger. It's the people that you know you gotta be scared of. Yeah? So nobody must ever come to you and say, Daddy say come with me, okay? Even daddy friends. Daddy friends are not your friends, okay? Yeah. So only we must go with mommy and daddy. And grandma. Alright? Yeah, lighten up with that. Yeah. Hi, boys. Alright, so now you're going to be spelling today at school? You're going to pass your test? Yes. Remember, if you don't pass your test, no iPad for the weekend? And no games? Okay. So go get your words. Now, let me get the words for you, okay? Just mess up your shoes. Can't go inside. Grandma going to page you, you know. Let me get it for you. So, are you ready for your spelling words? Yeah. I'm going to test you guys. Let me get the words. So, hey guys, morning. It's very early. We are up. As you know, boys are up for training. Actually, yeah, go down. The boys said they couldn't sleep well because of rebel salute. Yeah, I heard Queen Africa mashing up the place early this morning around 5 o'clock. Could stay in the room and hear it. So, yeah, another day. These days, people have been wondering why not so many videos and stuff. I don't get a day off, guys. So today's Sunday morning. And as you know, I'm the regional chairman for football, which covers Portland, St. Mary, St. Anne. So that has become more work for me, along with coaching at Mount Pleasant, along with raising my boys. And as you know, I'm very active in the boys' life. So yeah, plus I'm also playing football again. I'm going to show you later on in the video. I'm actually playing. I've played 3 games and I've scored 2 goals. To God be the glory. And why is it so significant to me? Since 2018 I haven't played even 90 minutes worth of football since 2018. Yeah. You smell it? No, the boys said they want to see the fog. They never seen it before. So why when you get closer to the fog, it doesn't look so bright. Alright guys? You realize that? Yeah, we come closer to it and it doesn't look so bright, but down there it looks bright. Yeah, alright. Let's go back. What if there's something in the bush? What if there's something in the bush? So we're getting close to the bush. Make your black jeans kick in. We don't work with the woods. That's your mommy jeans. Yeah, so yeah guys, like I said, I'm very busy these days. I don't get a day off. I train kids during the week. Outside of training kids, I'm doing my chairman work. As you know, chairman work. Supposed to plan a general meeting soon to set up my board, to structure the board. So that have me. Football, I don't know why I'm doing all this, but yeah, it's fun. It's football. Football is life. Football has given me everything, so I live. I don't know any other way to live. So yeah.
It looks like a horse.
Like a horse. So training the boys this morning. Some more of their friends should be coming. It's not so much training. It's more. So let me tell you what goes on. On Sunday morning.
There's the horse.
There's a horse.
There's one horse
over there. Oh, in the cloud. The cloud like a horse. Over here, yeah. So yeah guys, what is going on this morning is I normally play football over here on Sunday morning with some older men. We are very disciplined. The discipline ball game. Lots of principle. No, as you know, for me it's very difficult in Jamaica to find football environments where it's not aggressive and where people don't lose their mind and you know the whole aggression. But here it's not like that. So what I've decided to tell all the fathers to bring out their sons. And what we do, we set up a football field next door to us where we play and let the boys play. As that's how I grew up. Yeah, I would always go to the football field with the older men from a child, and that's how why my development was so good. So yeah, we let them play next door us, and who knows, maybe another 5 years they'll be able to play with the big men them, with the big man them. Yeah, so I'm gonna set up those goals and mark out their little field. Yeah. Plus, I'm taking them today to watch Mount Pleasant. And we have a Sunday tradition. Ronaldo, what is our Sunday tradition? What do we do on Sundays, Leo? What do we normally do on Sundays? Where do we go and eat?
Starbucks.
We drink Starbucks, and what else do we eat?
Pizza.
And eat pizza. That's our Sunday father and son moment. And today, adding to that, we're going to watch Mount Pleasant football team and Lime. There's a double header at Jackson, so I'm taking them as well. So it's a full Sunday. So we finish football this morning. They'll go home and we'll do what? What do we have to do when we go home? What did you leave on the table here?
What?
What do we have to do when we go home? What's on the table? Homework. So we go home and we'll finish up homework. And then maybe we can play a little Call of Duty.
Yes, and we all can play Roblox.
And all of us can play Roblox.
But soon I'm going to play my
special game. Yeah, so we have a full day of activity to take you guys along with here. So let me go set up them goal. Give me for 2 minutes. Let's go. Good pass. Run over. Let's go. Control. Pass it to him. Pass it over there, Aaron. Good job. Over there, Liam. Let's go. Good job. Let's go, William. Come on. Good control and pass. The fathers, them. And the sons. It's a good look. Come on. Good job. Control and pass. Good job. Good job. Kill them, General. Get them, get them. Kids in next door. Every Sunday morning. Marcus Rashford, sorry. Fathers and son every Sunday morning. Here goes Reese. Goal by Reese. Eric Allard. Hold them soon with the Ronaldo celebration. And the mummies are here. Yeah, I'm on 50 pictures. Watch out TV, no paying no mind.
Да. Ну какие они там.
Alright, let's go.
You're second, Leo.
Quick feet. Arms and legs, Ronaldo.
You're gonna get
2 legs, jump together. Careful. Ronaldo, look all the way to the end. Ronaldo, hey, do it properly. Yeah, I tell him. Ronaldo, don't skip anything. Come on, arms and legs, Ronaldo. Arms and legs. Yeah, watch him. Let's go. Quick feet. Ronaldo, arms and legs. Ronaldo, jump in the rings. Wait. Sorry. Ronaldo, you're supposed to jump across to the ring. Stop. Let me don't know how to jump. Let's go. Focus. Come on. Stop holding the pose, Ronaldo. Can't get this boy serious now. Ronaldo, what are you doing? You don't need Jesus in your life. Come on, take the thing serious now, boy. This is like a bad boy, baby. Hey, Ronaldo, focus. What teacher did you at school? You have asked her how she managed it. Come on, do it properly, Ronaldo. Jump over there. Ronaldo, what are you doing? You're not going across? Hey. Go. Get up, let's go.
I'm doing the thing properly.
Yeah, you're doing it properly. Stop following your brother.
I'm not following my...
When you have 2 kids, and one's just still a baby, you still have to understand. You have to be understanding. I can't be pressuring. He's just 6 years of age. For him, it's fun. He doesn't feel like it's important to do it correctly. Kill him jump and break something. Ronaldo, jump over it. Look at Leo.
Did Leo hit my butt?
It's an accident. Go.
It was... I was telling you to go. There wasn't no accident. So
How much is that? That's 4. That's 4. You have 6 more. Come on. Both of you have 6 more. Quick feet, Ronaldo. Ronaldo, stop holding the pose.
How much do we got then?
You did 4 already. This is 5.
We got 6. Now we have 7.
No, that is 5. That is 5.
No! That is 7.
That's 5, Ronaldo.
It's 5. Daddy said we were at 4.
Come on, stop. Fix it. Yeah. Let's go. Quick feet, Ronaldo. Lift up your legs. Come on, zig to the pose. Let's go. Quick. Let's go. Stop holding them, Ronaldo.
No!
Careful with the plane. Ronaldo. Alright, yeah, and you'll do it again one day, don't worry. And one day you'll be doing it every time. You're tired, so that's what it goes. Come on, Ronaldo. You're gonna go left foot. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, good job. 5, pass it down, good job. 6, good job. 7, side 8 foot. 8, good job. 9, ooh, good, get it. That's right. Let's go. Pass it down.
4?
Pass it down.
I reached the 4.
Come on, man, get the ball out. Get the ball out.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, good job.
1, 2, 5.
Let's go.
No, you're the only. Where am I at?
9. Let's go. Side, 8 foot, side. Good job. 11.
Whoa!
Side. 12. You do side 8 foot. 13. Good job.
I reached the 4, but still I go.
14. Run. 15. Run, Ronaldo. 16. Let's go.
1, 2,
17. Good job. Move. 18. Not shoot it. Let's go. Good job. There, your turn. Here then.
That
juggle,
is
go
the
juggle, go juggle, go juggle.
You must.
Practice juggle, let's go there. No, use that foot over here. Let's go pass.
Daddy was just kicking, not juggling.
Let's go. 3, good job. 4, good job. 5, good job. 6, good job. 7, good job. 8, good job. 9, good job. 10, good job. 11, good job. 12, good job. 13, good job. 14. Very good. No? Let's go. 15. Hey, what?
What?
Let's go. 16. Good. 17. 18. Good. 19. Good. 20. Good. Let's go another.
I'm juggling. That's
What?
not juggling.
That's cool. You can do it.
Daddy, but that's not juggling.
Yeah.
This is. No, this is juggling.
Another. You're going to take 2 touches. I'm going to throw it to you. You stop it, you pass it. Alright? They're going to pole. Another. Listen. You're going to stop it and you pass it to me, okay?
What about this?
Come, let's go. 2 touches. Let's go. 2 touches. Control. No, 2 touches. You stop it. You stop it, then you pass it. And then you go over there. Let's go. 2 touches. Stop it, pass it. Good job. Oh, you stop it, pass it. Good job. 2. Let's go. Good job. Stop it. Come on. Stop it, then you pass it. Stop it, pass it.
How much I have?
3, you're going to take this one. You need to control the ball.
What are you
Control the
doing
ball.
now?
Good job. Pass it. 4, good job. Let's go. Focus. Control, pass. Don't shoot. 5. Let's go. Control, pass. You have to run. Good job, pass. 6. Let's go. Let's go. No, control the ball, man. Let's go. Stop the ball.
Sorry.
6. Good job. 7. Control. Good job. 8. Good job. Control. Pass. 9. Careful with the foot. Control the ball.
You know where I talk about.
No. Listen now. Let's go. 9. Control. Pass. No. Let's go. Control. You need to control. Come back. Control the ball.
Again.
11. Good job. Control. 12. Good job. Control. 13. Good job. 14. Good job. Control. 5. Good job. 15. Good job. Another. Beautiful. Good job. 17. Let's go. Control. Let's go. Control the ball.
How much am I at?
Finish now. Go. Come here.
Give me when I practice my headies. Daddy, you know what I was doing when the ball accidentally hit the button and your phone fall, and next I put it back, I was on there, and next I was off and I was juggling and recording myself. Daddy, want to see this? Daddy, want to see what I was doing? Daddy, that's why you hear some juggling. That's why you heard some jugglings out there.
Control and pass. Good feet, we understand.
Ooh!
Pass. Good job, next time. Control. Pass. Good job. 2. Control. Closer. Good job. Keep it close. 3. Good job. And your toes. Control. Good job. 4. Good job there. Control. 5. Good job. Let's go. Control. 6. Good job. Control. 7. Let's go. Control. 8. Let's go. Control. 9. Let's go. Control. 10. Let's go. Control. 11. Let's go. Control. Let's go. Control. Now use the left foot over there. Good job. 12. Right foot. Let's go. Control. 13. Good job. Control. Good job. 14. Come on. Let's go. Quickly over there. 14. Move. 15. 16. Good job. Okay. 17. Let's go. Control. 18. Good job. 19. One more. Let's go. Control. Beautiful. Done. You guys want to play one video a little bit, or you want to go inside? No?
Go inside.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the channel. So remember, you can get your books on Amazon. This is our book, Life with the Stevens, Finding Financial Independence. Just search Life with the Stevens or Era Stevens, and you can find my autobiography on Amazon as well. Please check the link in the description if you are interested in booking our Airbnbs in Portmore and in Ocho. So thanks again for watching. Take care, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.